having a great event here. You know what I mean? You got people feeling comfortable. You got the AC, you know.
I know we're doing that rap
People who want to fight outside, they forgot why. They know AC. We love it here. Beautiful environment. You got the children out here.
I'm glad nobody birthday circle. I said we're not doing candles. No, they didn't, but I almost did like 5 times. I was like, I'm going to have fun with her.
And the candle make it a little more.
Pepsi commercial. Nah, we don't want that.
I'll just stop driving around like, ah! I feel great. I feel great. It's wonderful. Pamela and Outlaw gave me a great battle. The 3 rounds are all
Who's your favorite battle so far?
I gotta say, the first, what's his name? Family.
Outlaw. That was the.
That might be battle of the night, but
You had a joint last night.
yeah, the King of the Night.
He was on King of the Dot, man. OG Burnna, tell him the experience on King of the Dot, man. Over the beats too.
Yeah.
What they call that division that league? Yeah, beat down battle league.
It was history, man. Like we made history. I had the first battle. I wanted King of the Dot. Who would beat? I made history, man. Against Rohit.
The beats itself, were they commercial beats? Were they produced
No.
by?
I actually picked the beat called Life and the YouTube beat that I'm familiar with producing. I'm familiar with. And Easy had his producer. Yeah, Easy had his producer. Make him something, I'm cooking something. My producer wasn't available, so I couldn't get enough of mine. So I just went to YouTube route. We made it classic.
But that's a good opportunity for producers also to get their music heard while y'all rapping over.
Because all of our rights.
Bishop, rest in peace, Bishop. You know what I mean? Yeah, but that's dope, though. You gotta love that. We're getting back into the battles, man. We got a lot of those coming up on social media.
Yeah, man, hit me on OG Burnna. That's with 2 N-B-U-R-N-N-A.TM, man. I'm everywhere.
And we out. Light Skin Television. We back in these battles, man. Boiler Room ATL. Peace.